Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is our part 28 video of Azure Data Factory real-time scenario series. So in this video what we'll learn, we'll learn how to check the weekdays or weekend using the ADF pipeline. Okay, so basically I'm just giving you the scenario. If there is some transformation you need to perform based on the weekdays, if you have some data from pipeline that it is coming on weekdays only, not in weekend, and in weekend there is some other source data it is coming. So in that case, using how you will pull the data using the ADF. So uh, in this case, this kind of solution you can put it. Okay, so that in this video we'll show the total solution, how to implement this kind of weekend and weekdays logic. Okay, let's go. uh, so before going to the solution, I want to introduce our channel Cognitive Coders. If anyone you guys are new in this channel, I would request you go through this video. uh, these videos are very much important if you are preparing for Azure Data Factory interview, or Azure SpicePark interview, or in data engineering related data engineering role related any interview. Okay, and if you want to learn, if you are new in this field, you can also learn from our playlist. There are lots of playlists, you can follow this and you can go through. And if you want any other kind of video, you can suggest me, commenting on this video. If you are facing any kind of challenge in any of the video explanation that you are not able to understand, that also you can comment. I will try to reply on your comment. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to our today's topic. So first what we'll do, we'll start our ADF first. This is our ADF studio. We'll start it. So there is some issue in this Chrome browser, so I have opened it once again in my uh, this browser. Okay, so let's see what we'll do. So in Microsoft Edge it will work correctly, I think. Okay, now let's do it. What what we need to do, we need to check that whatever date we will pass through variable or anything that is weekend or weekdays. First, that thing we need to validate. Okay, so for that what we'll do, first we'll create one new pipeline. Okay, so for that, first we will take the if else statement. Okay, so for validating, so in if else you have to give your expression that the date is um, weekdays or not. Okay, so for this purpose what we need to do. Okay, so basically, so for here, this is a just demo video. So for here, for just demo purpose, what we'll do, we will just see it with a single date example like that. Okay, so here there is a function called it day of week. Okay, in Azure functions. Okay, so that function we'll use here. Day, you can see day of week, day of month is there, day of week is there, day of year is there. Okay, so we'll choose it day of week. So it basically return the true or false statement. Okay, so I'm just showing you. Suppose today it's 18th, today is Monday. Okay, so if I'll pass this thing, so 2025, okay, 08, then 18. Okay, so what it will return. So it will basically return the it will basically it will basically return the day of the week, means Monday. Okay, m- the first working day of the week. Okay, one, like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like this it will return. Okay, so this, using this day of week, you can get the we and the number of days of that week. Okay, so it is, as it is giving you the the integer value. So this expression error it is giving you, I'm showing you why it is this. First we'll just see this expression is working fine or not. So for that we'll implement the expression correctly using the seed variable, then we'll take that expression to the to our main pipeline. Okay, so suppose I'm selecting as a variable t. Okay, then select it, and here you can give your pass your expression day of week. Okay, day of week. So today's date first, let's use the UTC now. Okay, so forgetting it, UTC now, it's a function. So day of week, we'll put it in at the date. Okay, so here, using UTC now, it will capture the current date. Okay, then using the day of week function, it will give you the number of day of that week. So basically Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, like that it will give you. But this error expression of type, why it is showing this kind of message? So basically it will give you the integer value. So 0 1 2 3 4, like that. But here in day, you have taken as a string. Okay, so day you have chosen as a string. If you want to put it as an integer, you can select it from here only, variable. But what I will do, as I have selected, I have taken it as a string. So string value, it is usable in many purpose, so that's why it is better you can keep it string. Here you can change the expression in the expression only. Okay, so basically what you will do, so we'll take string string. Okay, now if I'll write this expression like this, it will not give us that warning. Okay, if I'll trigger it, let's see what are the output it is giving us. So it's done. You can see day is 1, day value is okay, name of the variable is day, and value is 1. Okay, so this is Monday 1. Now the same way you can pass this variable based on your requirement, selecting a pipeline parameter. Using that parameter you can pass the value. Okay, so like this, if you want to pass the value like of, suppose 17th, yesterday, means Sunday. So Sunday, what should it give? Let's see. It's giving 0 value. Okay, Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, like this it used to give the value. Okay, so the same way, now what we'll do, the it is giving us the value 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for checking if it is a weekdays or not, so weekdays, what it is happening, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 to 5 value it is under weekdays, and 0 and 6 it's a weekend. Okay, So based on that, what we can do, we can use there is a function contain. Okay, con contains. Okay, so here you need to pass the value. So for weekdays, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the value we can expect for weekdays. Okay. Okay, so the same thing, it will give the true and false. Okay, bool type value it will give. So we need to convert it in string also. So that same way you just need to perform the string. Okay, let's try it, what it is giving. mm, See, false, it is giving the day value as false, as it is not containing for as it is not contain as for 17 it is containing 0, as 17 is a 17 is a it is a it is 17 is a Sunday. So it will give the 0, as it is not containing 0 value, so it is giving the false value. Okay, like this we can evaluate that it is a weekdays or weekend days. Okay, the same thing, what I will do, I will I will put this expression here. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so here we don't require this string thing. Okay, as it is in if else statement. Okay, so now I can remove it. So directly it will give you the true and false thing. Based on true, it will go to the true block. Based on false, it will go to the false block. Okay, if it is a weekdays, then it will go to the true activity. In true activity I can give weight. Okay, this is weekdays, for weekdays. Okay, like this I can give, and just he, here you can put it 2-second wait time. Okay, and for false activity you can give the same wait. This is for weekends. Okay, here you can give 5 second. Okay, now one another thing you can do, you can pass this date using some variable also, how some pipeline parameter also. Okay, I can take as a date here. Okay, you can pass date as a string, you can pass, no problem. Okay, so this date parameter, if you want to add it here, so what you will do, you will just simply add this date here. Okay, now it's fine. Now here you can pass the date value 2025 08. Suppose today's value, if I will pass, for today's value it will go to the uh, true block. Okay, weekdays block. Okay, so 18. Okay, let's run it. So in pipeline parameter it is going. Now let's see. So it's a simple thing. Using the week of days function you can do all this thing, and you need to just create the expression based on your requirement. So expression को ठीक से create करना पड़ेगा in the if condition block. Okay, सो यहाँ पे चेक नहीं होगा तो आपको अलग से लेके उसको चेक करके देन इसको डालना पड़ेगा. ओके, it is showing success. So here you will not able to see in conditional statement. Okay, so it is running weekdays as we have passed the date, today's date. Okay, so it is running weekdays. Wait time is 2 seconds, as I have given mentioned. Weekdays wait time should be 2 seconds. If I will pass the parameter as 17th means the weekend, or 16th, 16 also weekend, 16 also Saturday. So let's see what it will give. It should give us the, it should run the false block and run the weekend wala wait activity for 5 seconds. Okay, done. Now weekend wala wait activity ran. Okay, you can see for 5 seconds it has run. So like this you can create this logic, and based on the requirements you can fetch the data from your source system. Okay, based on the weekdays and weekends data logic. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. If you are facing any kind of challenge to understand this thing, you can connect with me via topmate. It's a complete free sessions. Okay, or you can comment on the video comment section. If you want any other types of content, that also you can comment. Based on your requirements I will try to give the video. Okay, I'll try to make the video. And if still, if you guys are not subscribing, if you guys have not subscribed our channel, I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel and support us. Without your support we will not able to grow. Every time I used to say this thing, because you guys are watching our video but not sharing with your friends, not commenting, not liking or dislike, if whatever it is the feedback, just do it. Okay, then we will able to understand the requirement, we will able to improve ourselves. And if it is a useful thing, then you can share with your friends also to grow this thing, as it is a non-profitable initiative. I would request you guys, please support us. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Thanks for now, bye, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Okay.